Look on this now, people. I'm a horse, this. See that? Tell me now, and the police are going to look on me and tell me, say, if me see her, this are the girl where me usually there with, when named Kedin Williams, otherwise known as Shana. This has been going on, me and her left for 8 years now. And this is where the girl keep on a broke in my house, broke in my car, thief out my key, she have a key when I come in, my bolt up blow this and the girl pop out the window them and come inside of the house. Look what the girl doing in my house. Tell me now if I not kill my kid. Look on my bed. Look what the girl do to the bed. Tear up everything on the bed and shit in the middle of my bed. The girl shit in the middle of my bed. That the girl do. Look what the girl do my things them inside of the house. Fuck up everything in my house. Look what the girl do. The girl shit in my toilet. Tear up my toilet seat. Shit up in my toilet and all kind of stuff. Fuck up everything in my toilet. Break up my bulb and everything in my place. And now, when somebody got chop off her head now, people got talk about wicked. Because this only leave me for do one thing. And I forgot chop off her head.